By popular demand, I am going to talk you through all of the LED light options on this keyboard. You can see the blue shining light there. That just tells me that it is presently set to Mac OS, and that is changeable between Mac OS and Windows. So that's not related to the LED stuff. Right now, it's turned off because I have the intensity turned all the way down. Now, the first thing to look for, let me just move this a little bit closer. All of the keys that have to do with the LED controls have the little light symbol on them. 1, 2, 3 there. You can see one here. X has one. You can see here, there's one here. There's one here. And a lot of them have different functions, and I'm going to talk through them. So you can control the intensity of the light. So you do that by the arrow buttons. You can see they also have the light symbols there. And you can go up and down in terms of the intensity. You can vary the type of LED by these keys here. You can vary the speed and direction by this key here. So there's a combination that suits you, that you can, have light going this way, dark going that way, speed, response. So let me just go through each setting one by one. So first of all, I'm going to turn it on. In order to do that, you need to depress the function button and then any of the other buttons, right? So I'm going to turn it on by selecting. So that's what I had it before. I turned it down, so that's the intensity. So down, up, okay? So that's the brightest it can be. It does that triple blink to tell you that it's reached the maximum. And this is the minimum, of course, when it turns off, okay? Let's turn that to the maximum just so we can get a better view in the video. Now, it's daylight, as you can see, so there's light coming in through my window. So in the evening, obviously, it's more intense, okay? Now, I'm going to go through the different options that we have. So function and 1 gives this illumination of the W, E, A, S, D, Z, and the arrow keys. This is clearly a gaming mode. If you're a gamer, you recognize those buttons. Okay, so let's try the second one. 2, 1/2. This is another gaming mode, but also a typing mode with one hand. I don't know why you'd want just that one hand. If you press the other ones, nothing happens, yeah? Okay, so the next mode, number 3, this is my favorite mode because it illuminates all the typing keys and the arrows, because I use this for typing more than gaming. So this is my favorite mode. You can see that the function buttons are off and the number buttons are also off, even though they sort of like reflect slightly because of this very bright layer here. So this is my favorite mode. Okay, now if you go and press function X, that turns it off, turns it on. So that's the on and off button, and it retains whatever setting that you had and whatever brightness you had before. Okay, the next one is the button here. Okay, it's right on top of the enter button underneath the backspace button. It's basically the slash button, right? So what that does is picks the different LED formats. So that's one of them. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know why someone would like this one. I guess if you're a gamer or whatever, you want to create an ambiance. Here's another one. There's so many. Now, this one looks like it's off, but once I press the button, it responds. Can you see that? So it's not really off, okay? The next one, I actually like this one. This is one of my favorite modes as well. Again, it looks off until you press the button, and it just responds along the line that you press that button, okay? So the whole line illuminates, okay? The next one, I like this one as well. Just the key illuminates that you press. Okay, very cool. The next one, we're back to all full illuminated. So at this point, all of the function keys are on, number keys are on, everything is on. And of course, you can vary the intensity by going up and down, okay? Or brightness, should I say. Okay. Now, somebody left me a message in my original video saying that their number keys and the function keys are off. This might be that you're in a different mode that didn't have that on. So I hope that helps, okay? Now, let's see if there's anything else. Okay, so we're back to... Oh, this is another one. I haven't shown you this one yet. Okay, this is a different mode. As you can see, it just sort of... It's independent of where you press, it does light up, but it's kind of independent, which is kind of cool. Okay, here's another one. There are so many modes, guys. Here's another mode. Here's another one. Here's another one. Random button. This one's a bit psychedelic. Here's one. I like this one. Here's another one. Here's another one. This one's a bit crazy. Here's another one. Okay, another fully illuminated one. Okay, there it is. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give me a thumbs up and ask any questions and I will answer them. Bye-bye.